Hi guys!
This is my Nina!
This is Arella. Yan, habang raw nagkukwentuhan kami. Habang nagkukwentuhan daw kami, nagko-color siya. So, for today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella. So, we can check how smart she is. This is, ano tayo ngayon? Trivia questions tayo, Arella. Trivia questions tayo, Arella. What do caterpillars turn into?
Butterfly.
Wow, you're right. And do you like butterflies?
Yep.
Wow, very good. The largest cat in the world.
The largest cat. I saw in a video there's a big cat.
Oh, what do you call that?
It's still a cat, okay?
The family of cats.
And
Family of cat.
It's still a cat. The world's biggest cat.
What?
Ganito kalaki, oh.
Oh, pero iba pa yon. Meron pa talagang isa.
Tiger.
Wow, good
Lion.
job.
Cheetah.
Tama yung tiger. Tiger is the biggest cat in the world. And third question is two right answers na si Arella. Very good. What is a black mamba?
Ano yun?
Di ba lang yun?
Ano yung mamba?
Black mamba. It's a snake.
Ah! Alam ko yun! Yung, diba, nagtutugtog ka, naggaganto siya.
Di ba yun? Hindi yata. Basta, nabasa ko lang din to. Black mamba is a kind of snake. Okay, number 4 question. Where do kangaroos originate?
What's that?
Where they came from? What country?
Australia.
Ah, good job. Three right answers and 1 wrong. Last question. 5th trivia questions. What do you call a baby kangaroo?
A joey.
Wow, good job. Yeah, you only have 1 mistake. Very good, si Arella, diba? Very good. Well, that's all for now. Till next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye. God bless.